It's a little chilly this morning. I am gonna go work on the laptop for a bit at a coffee shop, and then we'll walk around a bit. 'Cause I can't take no more. Right now I'm parked next to the California Coast Beer Company, mainly because the van is in the shade. I'm still drinking my coffee. But yeah, let's go around. In the middle of Paso Robles is this park. And right over there, that's a library. Last but not least, because it's Tuesday today, there's a farmer's market. Let's go check it out. Maybe I'll buy something. Who knows? I definitely need some spicy sauce. I forgot to bring my own bag, so if I buy something, no judging, okay? No luck here, no spicy sauce. I am in love with Paso Robles downtown and everything that's going on around it. I'll definitely be back, Paso Robles. You're badass. Do we dare? No. Later. Well, that was a fun experience. Got my steps in, did some computer work, and I'm ready to take you guys with me for the rest of the day. Let's go in the countryside. This is where I'm staying tonight. That is what they do. That is where I'm trying to park. Don't try this at home, kids. I have experience. Watch me like go and in the ditch and regret saying I have experience. This is a harvest homestay, but before I go in, I need to eat something really quick because I'm gonna be drinking some wine. Let's make that quick lunch with my microwave. On the menu today are some leftover enchiladas that I had the other day. Enchiladas, a little bit of spicy sauce, why not? I just got this habanero sauce. It's supposed to be super spicy and delicious. Ooh baby, I swear I'm not sponsored by Trader Joe's. I am actually going to put some on the side here just in case it's too hot. Nothing wrong with that. It's very spicy. I put a lot on there. Not a bad place to have lunch, I have to tell you. And a great time to have a microwave so I heat this up really quickly. What's going on, Stefan? Do you not cook anymore? I cook a lot. It's just one of those things I don't feel like doing now. I have to tell you, I love this van. It has everything I need. And it takes me to so many great places. I mean, come on. I'm sitting at a vineyard now. And I'm meeting great people. That by meeting great people by far has to be the best thing about this lifestyle. You know, it's nice to be out here, but you know, meet people and lifestyle people, it's amazing. And good food and good wine and good everything. I'm gonna finish this and then I'll see you guys around the property. All right, let's go check out the place. Man, that was really spicy sauce. I love it. But it's spicy even for me. Well, that's where the van is. That's where the winery is. And they have a bunch of barrels. That looks really cool right now. There's a bunch of smoke coming out. Crazy. And they have some vines here, but they have a bunch of vines over there. So we're gonna go find out what those vines are. And later tonight, I'm hoping for sunset. They said to go up there. It's called Four Lanterns Winery. And if you look above the sign, there are four lanterns. And they were telling me they named it that because the owners have four daughters, and that's the light of their life. How cool is that?
Same old streets with the same old sound.